All right, today we're going to be writing equations of lines from the graph, and our objective is that we will be able to write the equation of a line given the graph of the line. So there are two different forms of lines that we're going to be working with. We have slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. M stands for the slope, and b stands for the y-intercept. We also have point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. M still stands for the slope, and x1 and y1 is a point on the line. So let's look at some examples. If we have this graph here, first let's find our y-intercept, which is right here. It's -1. Our slope, we can count rise over run, which would be 1 over 2. Slope-intercept form, remember, is y equals mx plus b. So it would be y equals 1/2 x minus 1. Plug the slope in for the m and the y-intercept in where b was. So here our y-intercept is +2, and our slope would be, looks like, down 2 over 3. So our slope-intercept form is y equals -2/3 x plus 2. Now these graphs, you'll notice that the y-intercept isn't an exact point. We could probably estimate, but we're not going to. So the first thing we're going to do is pick out a point on the line. I'm going to use this one here, which is 1, -3. Our slope would be up 1 over 2, so 1/2. Remember that point slope is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we would have y minus -3, so it'd be +3, equals 1/2 times x minus 1. So on here, I'm going to pick out 2 points. I'm going to use this one as my point here. You could use either one, it doesn't matter. So my point is 1, -1. My slope is down 1, 2, 3 over 2, so -3 over 2. And now I'm going to plug in my formula. Y minus -1 would become +1 equals -3/2 times x minus 1. That's all for today. Fill in your summary.